Hi there! Today I'm going to show you how TrueWatch's built-in AI chatbot can be super helpful, especially when you're feeling lazy to read documentation or just have a quick question. Let's say I'm new to TrueWatch and I want to start collecting telemetry from my Linux machine. I'll go ahead and open the Infrastructure tab. If I've successfully started the TrueWatch DataKit agent on my virtual machine, it should show up here. So, my machine currently, this is the name of my current machine, and I'm going to try to instrument the TrueWatch agent DataKit on it, and we should expect to see this machine show up in the Infrastructure tab. So if I don't know how to do that, I can just ask our AI assistant Toby something like, so I'm going to follow the Linux installation command. And I'm going to run it on my Linux machine. Okay, seems like it has been installed successfully. Now, the next step is to start it and make sure it's running properly. And again, instead of going to the docs, I can just ask Toby something like, okay, I'm just going to randomly try some commands. Okay, this looks good. And as well as nice. Okay, and it looks like everything is up and running. Now let me try to verify it in the TrueWatch console. So I'm going to close this and try refreshing. Okay, and it looks like I can finally see my Ubuntu machine appear. And that's it. So Toby, as you can see, Toby gives me everything that I need to get up and running in seconds without ever having to leave the TrueWatch console itself.